first thing I do is I organize my blueberries by size. Okay. The main reason that I do this is because you can use the big blueberries for the blueberry syrup, and you can use the little blueberries for your pancakes because they're already small and they fit well. Okay, well, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's so much easier, so you're not mushing blueberries just to get them in the pancakes. Okay, way easier. Just add a little bit of water just so that you can have something for your syrup. Okay, just a little base for it. Then add the blueberries. Okay. You definitely want to add sugar. You don't have to add a lot just because you're going to add maple syrup in it, which already has sugar in it. So you don't want to, overpower it too much. You still want to taste the blueberries. And you're going to make sure you stir it enough, because if it's not stirred, it's not going to, get softer. It's not going to, cook well. And you're not going to get that sugar everywhere. So you're going to make sure you do that. And then as it gets softer, you're going to mash them as well. After it boils, you're going to stir it. It's going to look like this. It's not going to be like syrupy yet just because you haven't added the syrup, okay? It's supposed to look like this. You don't get this syrup when you go to the store, we can't be friends, okay? Seriously. You can put a little decent amount, because we need it thick, and I need it, a lot. Look at this mess. I sat there and watched it happen too. It was boiling over, and I did not take it off the eye, and now I gotta clean that up. And a lot of people do not wash their fruit. You must wash your fruit. Just because you're getting it from the store, you see this package, it has holes in it. You never know what can touch it, Always gotta be safe. Alright, so a lot of people just follow the directions that's on their pancake mix. I've been cooking for a decent amount of time as to where I can just, guesstimate, and I get a pretty good guess, especially when I add the water. I'll be able to, just judge if I have to add more, I add more, add more flour, I add more flour. It just works out. I get the complete mix because ain't nobody got time for that, I'm not doing all that adding eggs and all that stuff. That's too much. Especially if I have stuff to do, I gotta work later, I work overnight, so that's too much. More blueberries. And you see, it's starting to make sense why I use the small ones, right? And a lot of people may ask why I didn't cook the blueberries before I put them in the pancake mix, just because I don't believe in, overcooking fresh vegetables or fresh fruits just because you're taking all of the nutrients out. It tastes way better, when you're able to actually taste what the fruit or vegetable is instead of, just trying to blend it in or, just cook all the juices out. Like, that's too much for me. From the words of De'Ara and Ken, butter does make it taste better. Don't judge my pancakes. Ain't nothing wrong with curves. Alright guys, this is the finished product. You see my pancakes actually look bomb as hell, you know what I'm saying? We about to check it out, My syrup, it could have been a messier process, but I have the pot that has a little spout on it, so I was able to just pour it in. It's warm, so that's gonna be really good, with the pancakes that are not dry. Yeah, did pretty good, about to taste this, babe about to eat. We good. And I'm not a big egg person. That's my plate. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just in case y'all know, none of y'all business, but so you know. So everything that I'm giving is, I got banana, for the sides, just in case, you finish your food, you're not done, or you're almost done, you just want a little bit something, you got a little banana for something sweeter. Got non-alcoholic ginger beer for all the people out here, that's clocking my age and shit, you know what I'm saying? But that's really, really good, And yeah, about to eat. Peace out. Syrup lit,